Given triangle ABC, C is the right angle, and now we're given tangent of A is 6/5, and we want to find the angles and the remaining side, just like our last one. So I always draw the triangle. C is the right angle. We'll call that A and B, and we're looking at angle A. So across is the hypotenuse, across from the right angle. Across from our reference angle is the opposite. And then the side next to it is adjacent. We know tangent of any angle is equal to the opposite over adjacent. So we're given 6 and 5. So 6 is the opposite, 5 is the adjacent. We will find the hypotenuse, AB. So I'm going to call that X. First, let's start with the angle just because it's taking the inverse. So we have tangent of A is 6/5. If we want to get A by itself, we take the opposite of tangent, which is inverse tangent on both sides. So I added inverse tangent on both sides. These are opposite, they're 1. So A is equal to tangent inverse of 6/5. And that's what goes in the calculator. So functions, tangent inverse, 6/5 is 50.19 degrees. And then remember the two other angles that are not the right angle, those add to 90. So I'm going to take 90 minus angle A, and that's going to give me angle B. So 39.81. Okay, now let's solve for the remaining side. Since we're solving for the hypotenuse, I'm going to use the Pythagorean theorem because it's pretty quick. It's the two sides squared, and then you take the square root of that to get C by itself. So 5 squared plus 6 squared, and then we'll take the square root. So square root of 61, oops, that was an A, not an S, 7.81 is our hypotenuse.